So good morning, guys. I wanted to take the opportunity to run through with you a technique to use when it comes to felling a forward-leaning tree. The technique that we're going to use and the cut that we're going to use is called a dog's tooth. Dog's tooth is basically it's a form of bore cut. So you bore in, you do your standard face and your standard gob cut. You bore in from the side, approximately 2 inches behind the hinge. Take about 75% of the way through the heart of the tree, all the way towards the back, and then you withdraw the saw, come from the top at about a 45-degree angle, and you cut down towards where you stopped with your bore cut. And once you get down close enough, obviously the tree then releases and begins to fall. It's just a really effective way of felling a forward-leaning tree safely and reducing the risk of them splitting. Due to the lean, they've got a higher chance of splitting anyway. We're working with ash today. Ash in itself, the makeup and the grain of the wood is very prone, and it laminates very easily. So they have quite a high chance of splitting. So more important and more of a reason to use this kind of cut on these trees. So that's what we're going to do. Obviously we're going to show you step by step, you know, the steps to take and how the cut works and what you do and where you go. But yeah, just wanted to share it with you guys, and yeah, hope you enjoy it and I hope you find it interesting, and we'll show you every step. We've done a face cut, and then we bored in from this side and then covered 75% roughly towards the back, and then once we were at the back we then came down at a 45, and this here is our dog's tooth. A little bit of undercut there, was a little bit off on the angle with the dog's tooth, but as you saw, she as soon as you get down to and you meet up with your original bore, the tree then lets go, and that's where she ends up. So it's just a really effective way of dealing with forward leaning trees, to get them down on the ground safely and remain in control of the fell really. So yeah, that's a dog's tooth cut. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it interesting. Any questions, obviously pop them in the comment section down below, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.